Let's create a spring look with our JAFRA Beauty Basics. Starting with primer, we're gonna apply it through the T-zone to make sure that those pores are nice and covered. We're gonna continue with our JAFRA Beauty Advanced Foundation. This is incredible for springtime. It's lightweight, it provides incredible coverage, and it has SPF protection. As you saw, we blended with our fingertips first, and then on our flat side of our JAFRA Beauty sponge, we are going to apply a little bit more for extra coverage and just a tiny dab on those areas that need a little bit of extra help for any pimples or discoloration, but only in the areas that need it the most to create a flawless effect. Continuing with our JAFRA concealer in the shade dark, we are going to create some dimension in our skin by contouring. So check out the placement. Once you have that placement, we are going to blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. That is the key. Blend towards your hairline and blend away from your face. When it comes to your cheekbones, we are going to blend upwards. Imagine a diagonal arrow from your ear to your eye. That way it creates a lifted effect. And we're gonna switch the brush to the tip of this blush brush from JAFRA to create a flawless effect, and look at how the skin is already looking more defined. It adds a natural glow to the skin. Here we're blending on the other side, and remember to blend upwards, 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 upwards. In the jaw area especially, you want to make sure that you don't have a dark line going through your jawline, so make sure that it's all nice and blended. And look at the difference. The area in our lips, we are going to just lightly blend with our fingertips just to create a fuller effect. Continuing with our multi-use pigments, we are going to place 2 dots in the upper part of our cheekbones just to create, remember, a lifted effect, and we're gonna blend upwards. We are going to work one side of our face at a time to ensure that we have the most color payoff. Look at that. Only 2 dots go a long, long way. And look at how beautiful, how pigmented, how glowy, and how it makes our skin look really natural and fresh. We're gonna dab a little bit on our nose, on our forehead, and a little bit on our chin as well, just to create a natural sun-kissed look. Continuing with a multi-use pigment, we are going to apply a little bit on an eyeshadow brush. And we are going to blend it through the crease of our eye, and slowly we are going to apply it all over our eyelid. Blend, 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 remember, is the name of the game. Do not be afraid of coloring outside the lines. The more blended your makeup is, the more natural it will look. With the remaining of that pigment, we are going to blend it on our lower lash line just to create more definition to our eyes. Continuing with lips, this is my favorite lip combo, is the JAFRA Royal Plumping Lip Gloss and the lip liner in the shade Ginger. We are going to line the entire outline of our lips, and slowly we are going to fill in, leaving just a little bit of space in the center of our lips where we're gonna apply our lip gloss to create a fuller, plumper effect. This is truly my favorite combo. Continuing with our lashes, we are going to use our lash primer to nourish our lashes, and I also noticed that this helps my curls stay on for a long, long time. Continuing with our blush, we are going to seal the pigment. This is the shade Bronze, and I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my forehead. This step ensures that your makeup is locked in the entire day. We are going to set with our JAFRA Photo Set Powder only in the T-zone, just to avoid any shiny areas, but to keep it super natural and ready for spring. We're going to continue with my favorite mascara of the moment. It gives a natural lifted effect for your lashes, and it stays on all day long, but it's easy to remove because it's not waterproof. Just to add a touch of light, we are going to apply a little bit of this liquid eyeshadow by JAFRA Beauty, of course, and we're gonna dab it in the center only of our eyelid. This is gonna give you a lifted effect and just a little bit of shush. Continuing this look with a little bit of eyeliner, this is what seals the deal. A tip for your eyeliner is to not do one continuous line, but as you can see, you just place your eyeliner on its side and do little tiny dabs to ensure a more straight, even line. And of course, I have to complete the look with a beautiful fragrance for the spring. This is Flores de Mexico. And here is the completed look. It's fresh, it's simple, it's ready for spring. I hope you love it, and I'll see you next time.